Hi students, class 9, chapter 6, trigonometry. First we see the introductions of trigonometry. Here we are going to study about the ratios and reciprocal ratios, and then the values of the ratios and complementary of the angles, right? In trigonometry, especially we are using the triangle. The triangle is only a right angled triangle. In this chapter we are going to use only the right angled triangle concept, then only we can solve the and find the ratios, angles and length. Other than right angle triangle, we didn't use any triangle, and it is not able to find using the other triangle to find the length and angle of the measures. So keep in mind, in trigonometric means we are using only a right angle triangle. Let me take it as a right angle triangle. What is the condition for right angle triangle? One of the angle is 90 degree means then we can say it is a right angle triangle. So one of the angle is 90 degree, then we can say it is a right angle triangle. Let me take it as this is A, B and then C. We know very well the Pythagoras theorem. Sum of the squares of the other two sides is equal to squares of the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side means the longest side is the hypotenuse side. So the hypotenuse side is always locating opposite to the 90 degree. See, this side is hypotenuse. This side is a hypotenuse side, and then remaining two sides are, one is the adjacent side, another one is the opposite side of the angle. By using this we are going to write the ratios, right? See, suppose this is 90 degree, the opposite of 90 is hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse sides are otherwise we call it as a longest side. Longest side, right? Now if the theta is inclined here, the angle is mentioned here theta. The theta is inclined here, it means the opposites of theta is always the opposite side. Opposite side means opposite side of angle theta. Opposite side of angle theta. So this is the opposite sides of angle theta. Then remaining side is the adjacent side. Adjacent side. This side we call this adjacent side. So in a triangle, so we know the longest side is the hypotenuse side, that will be located opposite to the 90 degree, and the opposite side is always opposite to the angle. Opposite side is always opposite to the angle. The remaining side is the adjacent side. Suppose the same triangle is like here. Let me take it as this is A, this is B, this is C. It is 90 degree means we know that that is hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side, simply we write it in a HYP, right? And then if theta is inclined here, suppose theta is inclined here means which one is the opposite side? Opposite to the theta is the opposite side. See, opposite to the angle theta. So this is the opposite side. Opposite side we simply write it in that OPP, right? Opposite side is always located in the opposite to the angle, right? Then the remaining side is adjacent side. The adjacent side we write simply ADJ. This is very important to identify the sides. In trigonometric we have the ratios. The ratios are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and then cosecant. See, sine, cosine, tangent. See, co is added here, that is co-partner of that. We take it as simply tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. This can be written in shortly like sine can be written in sine, the angle with theta, sin theta. Cosine can be written in that form cos theta. Tangent can be written in that form of tan theta. Cotangent can be written in that form of cot theta. And secant can be written in that form of secant theta. And then this is cosecant theta. Shortly write it this manner only, right? Now we want to know what is the ratio. So இங்கே right angle triangle மட்டும்தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோன்னு சொல்லிட்டோம். right angle triangle longest side hypotenuse side சொல்லிட்டோம். இங்கே தீட்டா எங்கே இன்க்ளைண்டாக இருக்கோ அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் இருக்கிறது தான் ஆப்போசிட் சைடு. தீட்டாவுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டாக இருக்கிறது தான் ஆப்போசிட் சைடு. இங்கே தீட்டா இருக்கிறதுனால இது ஆப்போசிட் சைடு. ரிமைனிங் சைடு அட்ஜஸ்டன்ட் சைடு எடுத்துக்கலாம். இங்கே தீட்டா கொண்டு போயிருக்கோம். இந்த தீட்டாக்கு ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் இருக்கிறது தான் ஆப்போசிட் சைடு. சரிங்களா? இதில் ரேஷியோஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சைன், கொசைன், டேஞ்சன்ட், கோடாஞ்சன்ட், சீக்கன், கோஸ். இங்கே ஆங்கிள் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறது எப்போவுமே வந்து தீட்டான்னு சொல்லி மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம். சரிங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோஸில் இதோட ரேஷியோஸ் எப்படி எழுதுறது பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்.